So one day in my clinic, Mr. Raj entered. His concern was that when he was out in a public area, he would wet himself. He would feel embarrassed about the situation. He asked and he pleaded me if I could do something to save him from such embarrassing situation. I asked him, "Do you know the Knack Technique?" Which he wondered what this could be. So today I'm going to share with you the Knack Technique. Hi, I'm Avina D'Souza, Masters in Orthopedic and Sports Physiotherapy, and I also help people above the age of 50 to regain confidence and strength. Your pelvic floor muscles is a group of muscle that spans from the pubic bone to the sacrum, and this group of muscle is like a boat which help to contain all the vaginal and the urethral contents. When these muscles are weak, the urethral sphincters are not able to do its function of opening and closing well. So as we age, the pelvic floor muscles tend to weaken. Because of this, urine incontinence is very commonly seen in a lot of elderly population. So let's talk about intra-abdominal pressure. Intra-abdominal pressure is the pressure which is created in the abdominal cavity, which can be increased by activities like lifting, squatting, pushing, pulling, coughing, sneezing, bracing. The Knack technique thus counteracts this intra-abdominal pressure, hence avoiding the flow of urine during these positions as mentioned before. So for this technique, you need to sit up straight, take a deep breath in, lift up your pelvic floor contents, contract and relax. Once more, breathe in, contract and relax. You can perform this maneuver especially when you are about to cough, sneeze or you laugh. If you want this contraction to be for a longer period of time, you can train for the endurance of the muscle. Simply lift up the pelvic floor content, contract your muscles and hold it for 10 counts. Another way to train your pelvic floor muscle is to control the urine flow when you are peeing. Hope this technique helps you. If you find my videos helpful, please like, share and subscribe.